Many of you have probably noticed the dark and eerie cartoon story videos that have been going viral on TikTok lately. Now, some creators are starting to post these same videos on YouTube, and they are receiving an incredible amount of views and engagement. Check out this YouTube channel that recently began posting videos. They've managed to accumulate over 100 million views in just the last 2 months. Their most popular video has received over 23 million views, while the second most popular video has around 12 million views. This is a strong indication that there is a high demand for this niche, and people really enjoy watching these videos. I'm going to show you how to create these videos using 2 different methods. The first method is free and is ideal for those who want to create videos without spending any money but have the time to do it manually. The second method is for those who prefer to let AI handle the video creation process for them. You won't need to struggle with generating better AI images. Trust me, you'll want to watch this video until the end, especially if you're planning to start a YouTube channel and are looking for ideas for the types of videos to create.
Okay, so the first step is to generate your script with AI, and we are going to be using ChatGPT for this step. All you have to do is copy the prompt that I've already provided for you guys. Trust me, I have made sure that the prompt is a very good one and it's going to generate a very interesting story for your video. So now that you have your script, the next step is to generate your visuals, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. To generate our imagery, we need to have an idea of the kind of image style we are going with. And to do this, the best thing you need to do is visit your competitor's channel, just like this, and take a screenshot of one of their videos. Now you're going to come back to ChatGPT, upload the screenshot, and then make sure you type in this prompt. All right, now you're going to ask ChatGPT to describe the image and generate a prompt to create something similar with any image generation tool. Now click on Enter, and ChatGPT is going to provide you with the image style and prompts that you can use to generate your own images. Now that we have the prompt, the next thing we want to do is use ChatGPT or any AI image generation tool out there to generate your image just like what I've done here. As easy as that. The next step is to convert the script into your voiceover. Now you can use any AI voiceover of your choice, but one of the best AI voices we have today, and it's for free, is Google AI Studio. Visit the website and click on Generate Native Speech with Gemini. Now make sure you select single speaker audio and then select your preferred voice. They have different kinds of voices here. Just go through them and choose the one that best fits your preference, and then paste your script over here, and now click on Run. Give the AI some time and it's going to generate your voiceover. Now that I have the voiceover, the next thing is to edit the video, and we are going to be using CapCut for it. You can use any editing tool of your choice, it just depends on which you're familiar with. Now drag in your voiceover and all the images you have generated into CapCut, and then first of all, drag the voiceover into the timeline. Now what you need to do is cut out all the pauses. This simple trick is going to help boost your average view duration, which is going to make YouTube suggest your content more to people. The next thing we want to do is add your images into the timeline one after the other. It's very important to listen to the voiceover before adding any image, just like what I've done here. Then after that, it's time for us to add the shake effect to the images one after the other to make it engaging. To add the shake effect, all you need to do is click on Effects over here and search for Shake. We are going to be using the first effect you see here. Drag it into the timeline and reduce the speed to 1 and the strength to 6 to have a smooth effect or animation just like this. Now add your caption before you export the video. As you can see, it took us some time to actually edit this video.
Did you know one man once sold the Eiffel Tower not once, but twice? In 1925, a clever con artist named Victor Lustig noticed the tower was rusting and expensive to maintain. So he posed as a French government official inviting scrap metal dealers to bid on the secret demolition project. One businessman paid him a fortune to buy the Eiffel Tower, only to discover it was all fake. Instead of fleeing for good, Lustig pulled the same scam again weeks later on another victim. Both times, he escaped without being caught immediately. Victor Lustig went down in history as the man who sold the Eiffel Tower twice.
The second method is paid, but it makes it easy for even a beginner who has no knowledge of how to create these images to be able to do it just by clicking buttons.
All right, so for those of you who don't want to waste time generating this video manually and you want to be able to create viral videos 100 times faster, this next step is for you. We are going to be using this tool called Clippy. The first thing you need to do is sign up for a new account by clicking on Get Started over here. When you're done connecting your Gmail account, it's going to bring you to the home page of Clippy. As you can see here, they have different kinds of trending templates, but the one we are going to be using in this video is called Creepy Cartoon, which is this. So I'm going to click on it. It's going to bring you to this page where you will paste your script or use AI to write a script. Depending on which one you want to use, you can use either, but I already have a script, so I'm just going to paste it here. The next thing you want to do now is click on voiceover over here, or click on this arrow here to move to the next step, which is selecting your voiceover. So when you click on select voice here, go through the voices. Now, the good thing about Clippy is that all the voices you see here are from 11 Labs, which means they have the best quality voices for your story. Pick the voice you need. For me, I've already selected the Liam voice because it's very nice. And as you can see here, it's identified as a voice you can use for YouTube Shorts. Because of that, I'm going to be using this voice, and the voice is very nice actually. For the stability and similarity, I usually just leave the stability at around 56% and then the similarity at 71%. So now what you just need to do first is to click on Generate Scenes here. Normally this takes some time, so you just have to be patient and wait for the AI to generate all these images for you, which usually takes around 1 minute. All right, so Clippy is done generating the images. As you can see, the images are much better than the ones we generated with ChatGPT. They look super clean, super high quality, and the resolution is just insane. The next thing we want to do is to add background music. Now go through the list of background music provided here and choose the one that best fits your preferences. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be going with Tonight You Belong to Me. I feel like the song is kind of creepy and it fits this type of video. So all I have to do now is reduce the background music a little bit so it doesn't overpower the main voiceover. Very good. The next thing we want to do now is to select transition style. I prefer going with the dramatic one here, but you can also go with the smooth transition here. However, I prefer the dramatic actually. So I'm going to select it, and then when you're done with that, the next thing we want to do now is to edit the caption to the style you want. So click on caption and then go to the style you want. I prefer this one, so I'm going to select it and then click on settings here and then try to, bring it down a little bit like this. All right, so I'm going to also reduce the caption a little bit to around 40 here. Good, and then I think I'm going to be using the capitalize option here, and boom, we're good. Don't forget, you can also change your caption color to the one you prefer, but I prefer using white. If you want to change it, just click on font over here and change it to the color you want. You can see how easy it is to generate this video using Clippy. Before we export the video, let me quickly show you guys what we've been able to create.
Did you know one man once sold the Eiffel Tower, not once, but twice? In 1925, a clever con artist named Victor Lustig noticed the tower was rusting and expensive to maintain, so he posed as a French government official, inviting scrap metal dealers to bid on the secret demolition project. One businessman paid him a fortune to buy the Eiffel Tower, only to discover it was all fake. Instead of fleeing for good, Lustig pulled the same scam again weeks later on another victim. Both times, he escaped without being caught immediately. Victor Lustig went down in history as the man who sold the Eiffel Tower twice.
The images in voiceover are so much better than the one we generated with ChatGPT. Okay, so when you're comfortable with your video, the next thing to do is to export the video. Click on export and then add your video title and then click on render video. If you want to try Clippy AI, the link is going to be in the pinned comment below. And don't forget, make sure you post one video every 2 days to start seeing some significant results. I've also started a channel in this niche, and I'm going to be documenting the journey to you guys in the coming months. So peace, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.